Hi everyone. In today's video, I will be talking about a topic that is relevant to many people. Is potassium a cause of kidney disease? Understanding the role of potassium in the body. Potassium is a necessary mineral that enables individuals to be healthy. It helps move muscles, including those of the heart, making our heart beat steadily. Besides, it is imperative for proper nerve function and carrying signals across the body. Also, it keeps our bodies hydrated enough, thus balancing fluidity and electrolysis, an essential component in ensuring someone remains in good health. How the kidneys regulate potassium levels. Managing the body's potassium levels is a task that cannot be done without the kidneys. From the blood, they trap excessive potassium from which it's later sent to urine. The regulation ensures there is a balance of necessary potassium that facilitates good body functioning, hence its importance. In case there is malfunctioning of the kidney, there is a possibility for one to suffer from either too little or too much potassium in the body, which results in sickness. High potassium levels and kidney disease. Excessive concentrations of potassium in the blood make people prone to kidney diseases. Assuming that our kidneys are functioning properly, a balanced diet can assist in removing any excess potassium from our bloodstream. On the other hand, in case there is any renal damage, little of that potassium is excreted, thus filling up the bloodstream. Due to this, it can tamper with electrical signals, causing irregularities in heartbeat rhythm and adversely affecting someone's general condition. For these reasons alone, it has become mandatory that those with chronic renal failure, CKD, monitor their intake while also taking other necessary measures according to their doctor's advice, because if they don't, then there may be organ failures happening one after another. Symptoms and risks of hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia is brought about by excess potassium amounts in the blood and may present itself through muscle weakness, tiredness, and erratic heart rates. At worst, it could cause deadly heart issues like arrhythmias and, in some cases, full-blown heart failure. As a result, detecting and treating it promptly is crucial to prevent such grave implications on health. Potassium management in chronic kidney disease, CKD. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, occurs when the kidneys cannot control potassium levels adequately. This causes potassium to build up in the blood, which can result in an abnormal increase known as hyperkalemia. Mostly, people diagnosed with CKD are advised by medical personnel to reduce potassium consumption through low potassium diets. It is very vital that patients suffering from CKD monitor potassium in their bodies by carrying out regular blood checkups. Sometimes drugs can be given to reduce potassium levels or stop its associated consequences. In preventing maintenance, a fine balance should be drawn between the amounts in Get Property Maintains, 5 of potassium eaten, and what is required by one's body. Dietary sources of potassium. Potassium is naturally present in multiple food items, specifically fruits such as bananas, orange, and spinach, among others. Potatoes, tomatoes, and dairy products like yogurt and milk are other sources of potassium. In fact, eating a proper diet containing these kinds of food elements keeps the right amount of potassium in one's body. It is also necessary to take care of the amount of potassium consumed by those suffering from kidney disease or any other health-related issues. Such individuals should eat more of the foods rich in low potassium. Diet tips for controlling potassium. Intake. Identify high potassium foods. Familiarize yourself with high potassium foods like bananas, potatoes, and avocados. Limit portions. Effectively manage the intake of high potassium foods by controlling portion sizes. Choose lower potassium alternatives. Choose fruits and vegetables that have less potassium like apples, berries, and green beans. Cooking methods matter. Use preparation methods that cut down on the amount of potassium in food products, for instance, boiling or soaking vegetables. For those who have kidney disease or any other condition that affects their health, managing potassium intake and sticking to a balanced diet may require the use of these tactics. The impact of potassium supplements on kidney health. Purpose of supplements. Some individuals with deficiencies sometimes get prescribed potassium supplements to improve low potassium levels. Potential risks. High potassium levels can be harmful, especially among individuals with kidney ailments. Consultation is key. Before you take a potassium supplement, it is advisable to see a doctor first because these may interfere with medications and how your kidneys operate. Monitoring and adjustments. To ensure the safe and effective use of potassium supplements, blood tests should be conducted frequently to check on their level in the body. Maintaining kidney health and general welfare is very important in the careful management of potassium supplements. Preventing kidney stones with proper potassium levels. Role of potassium. Potassium helps in the proper functioning of the fluids and minerals in the body. It is possible to cause the formation of kidney stones being reduced in this case. Balanced diet. Foods that are high in potassium and consist primarily of fruits, along with vegetables, help to maintain stability. Hydration. The consumption of ample water during the day helps in lessening urine concentration and avoiding mineral accumulation leading to stone formation. Medical guidance. If you tend to have kidney stones, or if you have kidney disease, it is a good idea to contact a medical professional to establish the right amount of potassium to consume. Preventing kidney stones and promoting kidney health are two major roles that you can play by simply keeping your potassium levels normal by eating healthy and keeping hydrated. Balancing potassium for overall health. Importance of potassium. Potassium is necessary for muscle function, nerve conduction, and fluid balance in the body. Dietary sources. Make sure to include bananas, oranges, spinach, and potatoes in your diet because they contain potassium. Monitoring intake. To avoid potassium deficiency or excess levels, make use of dietary records from your healthcare provider's instructions. Health considerations. To avoid complications, potassium intake should be cautiously controlled by those who suffer from heart disease or kidney failure. Potassium intake balancing is paramount in promoting a healthy lifestyle by assisting essential body processes and alleviating potential detriments related to its inadequacy. If this clip has been of good use to you, then please do not hesitate to like it or even mark it so that you can easily retrieve such as this on future occasions. For now, thank you very much indeed. Well, goodbye from me at least for today, when I shall present another episode here tomorrow.